Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in this particular video, I am going to discuss three fundamental rules of probability which I am sure you have already studied 3 times at least in your mathematics life. Okay, like first time you have studied in class 12, next you have studied this same topic in probability theory and random process course. Also you might have studied this in statistics for engineers course, right? So let's just have a quick recap. 3 rules, fundamental rules which will be there always with us in this particular probability journey in data science. Okay, number 1 concept is 0 less than equal to p of x less than equal to 1. That is, probability value always ranges from 0 to 1, right? I hope you know this. Then probability of A union B, sorry, this will be union. Okay, so probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus of probability of A intersection B, right? The understanding is very simple. You just consider this as set A, this as set B. So total probability is set A plus set B. Now see the common area, if it is coming 2 times, then we have to subtract 1 time, right? So that whole area will be covered, each part will be covered only 1 time. So this is the funda. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus of probability of A intersection B, right? Now suppose the 2 events A and B are mutually exclusive, that is, you are just throwing 1 dice, then what is the probability that simultaneously 2 and maybe 6 will appear? Okay, so it is not possible, right? So these are mutually exclusive events. Okay, now this time it is impossible even that 2 and 6 cannot come simultaneously, but you just try to understand, if 2 comes 6 cannot come, if 6 comes 2 cannot come, right? That is, 2 events cannot be executed simultaneously or cannot happen simultaneously. So that time P of A intersection B will be always 0. So for mutually exclusive events, probability of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Very simple. Then probability of A intersection B or A and B, what will be that? A and B means A and B happened simultaneously. That means nothing but probability of A multiplied by A already happened, knowing that what is the probability that B will occur. That is conditional probability, that is P of B by A. Okay, or we can say B already occurred, and knowing B occurred, what is the probability that A will occur? So P of B multiplied by P of A by B. Okay, right? Remembering this formula is very simple. Here you just see A is coming in the numerator, so here A is coming in the denominator and the other term will be coming in the numerator. Here B is coming in the numerator, so B will be coming here in this denominator and the other term A is coming in the numerator. Simple, right? And if A and B are independent events, then conditional probability, there is P of A by B is nothing but P of A, because A is not dependent on happening of B, because they are independent, right? So P of A by B, that time we can say that is P of A only, or P of B by A we can say P of B only. So probability of A and B equal to P of A multiplied by P of B if the events are independent events. Okay, so remember these 2 terms, mutually exclusive events and independent events. Very important concept related to data science interview process. I hope you have understood this. These 3 formula always remember, because these we are directly going to use in our upcoming numerical examples. Like I will be showing you examples related to probability mass function, probability density function. Then suppose probability of A union B, that is A or B will happen like that it is asked, then directly if I use this formula P of A plus P of B, that time you have to understand that those events are mutually exclusive like that. Okay, so just practice some problems based on this and you will be getting habituated with this formula. Look at this formula, try to just visualize the derivation. Very simple, just 1 line from this Venn diagram itself we can interpret the result, right? So this is all for this video. Thank you.